This is a quick tutorial on how to use the dictate and read aloud features in Microsoft Word. This is a really helpful feature if you're not a great typer. Also, if you're not a great writer, sometimes it's important for you to say what it is you're trying to say, and then go back and modify, update, bring in more research, add your citations, and so forth. So this kind of helps you to get your ideas on paper. All right, so let's get started with the dictate feature. When you're in the home tab at the top, notice there's several tabs at the top: home, insert, design, layout, etc. You want to be in the home tab, and over to the far right is the dictate tool, and it looks like a microphone. If you're not seeing it, it could be that it would, no, it's pretty much there all the time. So we're going to just go ahead and start with the dictation. When I click it, it begins recording as I speak. So here I am, and you can see that the little red recording button is on, telling me the dictate is working. Notice that it's pretty much typing what I'm saying, period. Now I can use punctuation. When I say the word period, it should put the period there, okay? It didn't put it the first time. So you have to be deliberate with periods, period. Did it get it? Nope. Nope, didn't get it, period. So you have to play around with it, obviously. It does its best. Now, I can also tell it that I want to do a new paragraph by saying new line. There we go. And there I am with that new line. And it's continuing to record what I'm saying. And notice that I said that command twice, and it gave me 2 new paragraph returns. So you can play around with this if you have. Oh, look, if I say paragraph return, let's see if it does it. Paragraph return. No, didn't do it that time. So anyway, you can play around with it. There are also supports on the internet where you can say, what are the commands I can use with the dictate tool with Microsoft Word, and so forth. Okay, I'm going to stop dictating. I'm going to click the little button here, and it stops the dictating. Obviously, you have to go back in and fix it, but at least it gives you a chance, as I said, to put your ideas on paper. Now, when I finished my writing and I have all my writing and I'm ready to submit my paper, it's a great idea, and I know your instructors have probably told you many times, to read it out loud before you submit it, to listen to the flow. Are the ideas coming together? Are they making sense? So, you know, it's always a good idea to read out loud. Well, we'll do it for you. So again, we go up to the tab bar and we click review. Review because we're reviewing our paper. And notice here we've got this read aloud feature. The first thing I want to do before I click it is position my cursor where I want it to begin reading out loud. So I want it to start at the beginning. And now I click on read aloud, and it should just start reading. Let's see what happens.
Little red recording button is on, telling me the dictate is working, period. Now I can use punctuation when I say the word. They're okay, it didn't put it the first time, so you have to be deliberate with periods. Did it get it? Nope, nope, didn't get it. It does its best. Now I can also tell it that I want.
Okay. Obviously, I have some work to do with my writing, but this is really useful to turn on if you have a big paper, especially a dissertation. Turn it on, put your makeup on, get ready for the day. When you're doing laundry, you can have it read out loud and you can listen to it. And it's just really useful if you're a busy person or driving in the car, and it will help you flag those areas in your writing that are difficult to understand or that are not flowing or making sense. So that's it for the dictate and the read aloud features in Microsoft Word. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.